Well, the Ryobi 18-volt push concrete epoxy. Like an absolute boss. I'm usually a Milwaukee guy. I got this for about 70 bucks on sale at Home Depot in Canada. M12 Milwaukee was 200 bucks. M18 Milwaukee's 280. For entry-level tools and stuff like that, Ryobi is really hard to beat. They make some cool tools. I like to stick with one brand. I'm a Milwaukee guy, but man, this was too hard to pass up. So, anchoring epoxy. No problem at all. You can set your speed setting here, how hard you want it to push, and it lets off every time you, it auto lets off, it's probably some term for it, every time you let off the trigger. But figured I'd let you guys know because I didn't see a video out there before I bought it, pushing some really hard stuff. So I think this is 500 pounds of pressure. Enjoy.